welcome back to the show. In today's video we are going to be checking out the Medify Air supposedly medical grade review of this thing. And why do I like it? I'm not really sure I actually like it, but I needed something to filter my air, especially since this summer it was a day where it was over 150 really bad air on the outside because of those forest fires, and from the west they got all the way to the east and you could hardly breathe outside. Needless to say, inside the air quality was terrible as well. So I thought I would get something for that. Although a few months too late is okay than being never. This seemed like the right thing to get. So I'm going to be doing unboxing video, review of its features, and of course at the end telling you what is the point system out of 10 different stars and if you should get this for yourself or you should skip it. Let's find out in another video review, and if you do like it, make sure to sub, like, and see you in the next video of the Geek Tech Show. Let's get started right now. This is the True Halfer H13 grade, medical grade filter that you can actually use. And of course, you want to probably see unboxing and what is inside of here. Opening it up, the MA-15 got a bunch of packages that is included. Got the warranty information in this flimsy piece of paper right here, the warranty registration card, and it got the filter. The filter itself comes in this small little package over here. Right there. And it comes with this cable cord right here as well. All you have to do is to connect it to its outlet, which is right here. There. Now, as you unbox this thing, you have to understand that before you get started with this, you gotta open this up, take this out, and I already did this, but you have to open up this entire filter out, otherwise this whole thing is already protected and it's not gonna work for you. So keep this in mind. The medical grade filter looks exactly like this, so it's pretty much a pretty long filter, and the thing about this, it's kind of like the same thing that is being used in air conditioning filtration or home filtration as well. So it's pretty good, it's pretty decent. I do like the silver look in here. Inside you can see the fan right there, and you do this for both sides. Then you just put this right back in. You can see it doesn't really, you have to put the right way in. Put it the wrong way in, it was falling apart. So make sure you put this back in how it's supposed to be. The filter by itself is pretty expensive, so there's going to be a big whooping cost for you in case you want to get another one. Other than that, it's pretty decent size looking filter. Although this is silver in color, this is plastic, unfortunately. I'm kind of disappointed tint in this because I thought this was going to be all around metal because it kind of looks like metallic. Also the holes right here, there's only holes that come on from two sides. The other two sides over here is just for beauty. None of those holes circulate the air, just two of them are being used at the same exact time. On the top, take this out, you can't actually move the top up. So if this thing breaks, tough luck to you, you have to send it to the manufacturer for you to get this to work. So let's turn this on and see how powerful this thing actually is. So the Medify air filter, medical grade. You press it on, and this is the lowest speed here. You can barely hear it. Medium. And that's the high speed. Press on it again, it goes back to the lowest speed. It has 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and 8 hour timer in here. It automatically switches to the 2 hour, 4 hour, and the 8 hour by just pressing on this button right here. Turn this off. You can see how this looks like in the dark, which is kind of cool, by the way. And you can press here, this is for the night light or the morning. There we go, the night mode is actually on. And it's kind of cool because that's one of the things I really like about this filter. At night you just press on here. Unfortunately you can't really see where this night mode is at night, so you have to guess where it's kind of is at. Has a child lock here. I don't know why this is actually for. I don't know what you can lock out of here, and pressing on it doesn't actually do anything. And pressing it off. Unfortunately, one of the things I dislike about this is that this button is not an actual button, and that's one more thing that could potentially break in the future. I do like actual button that you can press on. If you look inside, you can see right here the actual mechanism that does work. When you turn this on, move it a little bit faster. This is plastic on the top, plastic all around. Now let's see the sides. I want to show you right here, you can see the vents that only exist on this side and the other side. On the other hand, the vents over here, this is just for show. There's no vents in here. It's totally plastic. It's all filled in. Filter in itself is very great looking filter. I do like it. It's medical grade, by the way. Although it doesn't say it's medical grade on this thing, it does say it's HEPA, HEPA H14 grade filter. And on the other side you can see how well it actually looks like. Probably the filter is better constructed than the entire mechanism. And we have the fan that is over here. Overall, it's pretty decent filter in the machine. The price at Target, $120, a little too expensive for what you're getting, specifically since there are so many plastic parts in this. Thank you so much for getting all the way to the end of this video, and of course you want to know what is the star rating on this and should you get this for yourself. So for the cons and the pros. The pros on this, the price is kind of decent. The item itself is stylish and good looking, and it does a decent job at filtering the stuff. For the cons, $120 is a lot to pay for something like this. The air filtration doesn't seem to be doing as great of a job as some other filters that I have had myself. This is made out of plastic, not metal, which I was hoping for. So, what do I give this? Out of 10 stars, this gets only a 6. The reason why, I think it's overpriced. This is a brand new company. I have not heard about it before. And also, it should have more holes. Just because it has holes looking all around, there is no need for just having holes and having no holes that go inside. It just tricks people to think this thing is more functional than it actually is. Also, it's kind of really heavy for what it is as well. It's kind of big, it's kind of bulky. I'm not sure how long the fan is actually going to last just by the sound of it, and it has 3 different settings. The most quiet one is totally useless, the medium is okay, the highest one is too loud. That being said, I do not recommend you to get this. I think there's better filters out there for you to get. In case you do want to get this, you can get this using the link right down below on Amazon. You can check it out by yourself to see if this is good for you. Me myself, I'm going to be skipping this one, and I'm going to be looking for another one because I think there's better filters out there for the same exact price. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this actually helped you make up your mind, and if you did enjoy this channel, make sure to sub, like, and see you on the other side. Well, you never know what is the next thing being reviewed on this channel.